Do you know the rainy Fridays or Saturdays when you are at home and you suddenly have an idea? I'm Busy Bee from Germany. I'm a long-time Barbie collector and a Barbie dog for almost 10 years. This channel is more than your one-stop Barbie repair workshop. Halloween is coming up and I had this little idea. I saw it in a book and I thought, hey, why don't we do this kind of crazy circle skirt for Francie? It's not really a circle skirt, it's more a rectangular skirt. But why don't we make it for Francie? It would be nice for Halloween. It's really easy, believe me. You only need one measurement and it's once around her waist. That's all we need. Let's start here with the calculation now. So all we need is one measurement. As I told you, it's once around her waist. So we measure once around here and we get the circumference. That's what I wrote down here. It's 7.9 centimeters. And the formula is 2 times the radius times p, and we know this number here, that's our c. And then I put the 2 and the p on the other side to get the number, the missing number I need here, my radius. And my radius is 1.25 centimeters. We have 1.25 centimeters that we now need to insert into our drawing. We are making a pattern now, but it's really easy, believe me. For getting the shape of the skirt, I did the following. I used greaseproof paper and I put down a rectangular of 24 times 24 centimeters. And then I marked the center point here, and from this center point I marked the 1.25 centimeters from the center point away to get a little circle, and then I cut the circle out to get her waistline. And then I cut out one piece of my rectangle and I added the seam allowance here so that I got this pattern. You only need 1/4 of it because all 4 are of the same size, and this makes the whole thing a lot easier for us. So that's basically how you draft the design. It's really easy, isn't it? That's basically all we need to know here. And now we can go to the sewing machine. Before I filmed this video, I of course tried the different length. What is better for her, shorter or longer? This here is, I think, 11 centimeters or 12 centimeters. That's what I first tried because I wasn't sure how much length I would need. I played around with it and then I came to the idea to make it twice as long as before, and that's how I came to the idea to get the 24 centimeters. Of course you don't see it fully here that it's that long because she still has a way to march if she would like to, so it's not fully to the floor. So here is the result of my little sewing adventure. I still have to add a dart or a snap in the next days. So I also added a little top for her to make it a little bit more stylish. Question of the day is, what is your costume for Halloween? Do you like my little idea here for our Francie? Let me know in the comments below. See you in the next weeks. Your Busy Bee from Germany. Bye.